Are you struggling to land clients because you don't have a professional portfolio? Don't worry, you don't need to spend money on a fancy website or years of experience. In this video, I'll show you how to create a free, professional portfolio step by step, so you can attract clients faster and stand out even as a beginner. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a like so you don't miss future guides on freelancing and online income. So let's dive into the process. Step 1. Choose the right platform. You don't need to pay for a domain or hosting to get started. Free tools like Canva, Google Sites, Notion, and Behance are more than enough. Canva has ready-made portfolio templates you can customize. Google Sites lets you create a simple website with your own sections. Notion is great if you want a clean, modern one-page hub for your work. And if you're a designer, photographer, or creative, Behance is globally recognized and trusted by clients. Step 2. Create a strong introduction. Every portfolio should start with a short bio that answers 3 questions. Who are you? What service do you offer? And why should clients trust you? Keep it short, professional, and client-focused. For example, I'm a freelance content writer specializing in SEO blog posts that drive traffic and engage readers. That sounds better than simply say I'm a writer. Step 3. Showcase your work samples. Don't worry if you don't have paying clients, yet you can create sample projects. Writers can upload blog posts or product descriptions. Designers can create logos or mock-ups for imaginary brands. Developers can build demo websites. The key is to display quality over quantity. 3 strong samples are more powerful than 10 weak ones. Step 4. Organize your portfolio. Clients should be able to navigate easily. Divide your portfolio into sections like writing samples, design projects, or web development work. Use clear titles and short descriptions for each sample. And always include results when possible. For example, this blog post improved organic traffic by 40% in 1 month. Step 5. Add contact information. Make it easy for clients to reach you. Add a simple "Hire Me" button, your email address, or a contact form. If you're using Canva or Google Sites, you can link directly to your social media or Upwork, Contra, or Hamsry profiles. The easier it is to reach you, the faster you'll land projects. Step 6. Optimize for professionalism. Use clean fonts, consistent colors, and professional visuals. If you don't want to show your face, create a simple logo or initials. Avoid clutter and keep the design minimal. Remember, clients care about results, not fancy animations. Step 7. Share your portfolio everywhere. Once your portfolio is live, don't just wait for clients to find it. Share the link on LinkedIn, Twitter, WhatsApp groups, and freelance platforms. Add it to your email signature. The more visibility you create, the more trust you build. Pro tips for beginners. Update your portfolio regularly with new work. Tailor it to your niche. Clients looking for blog posts don't want to see logo designs mixed in. Use testimonials if you have them. Even one positive review adds credibility. And there, you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to creating a free portfolio that can help you get clients fast. Remember, don't overthink it. Start with free tools. Create 3 strong samples. Put them online, and share your link everywhere. Clients care about what you can do, not how expensive your website looks. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's starting freelancing. Comment below which platform you'll try: Canva, Notion, Google Sites, or Behance, and I'll reply with extra tips for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.